Are you a video editor looking to take your skills to the next level? Well, look no further because we're about to reveal Premiere Pro's ultimate secret tool. Let's dive right in. Have you ever struggled with maintaining consistent colors throughout your entire video? With Premiere Pro's hidden gem, that's now a problem of the past. Introducing the Color Match feature. With Color Match, all you have to do is select a reference frame that has the desired color grading, and Premiere Pro will automatically adjust the rest of your footage to match it. No more tedious color adjustments frame by frame, but that's not all. Premiere Pro's secret tool also includes the powerful Lumetri color panel, allowing you to fine-tune and customize your color grading even further. From exposure and saturation to shadows and highlights, you have complete control over every aspect of your video's visual aesthetics. Now let's talk audio. Premiere Pro's secret tool has got you covered there as well. Meet the Essential Sound Panel. With the Essential Sound Panel, you can effortlessly enhance your audio quality. Whether it's reducing background noise, adding special effects, or balancing audio levels, Premiere Pro has all the tools you need to achieve professional-grade sound. But wait, there's more. Premiere Pro's secret tool also includes the Warp Stabilizer. Say goodbye to shaky footage once and for all. This incredible feature stabilizes your video clips, smoothing out any unwanted camera movements. Whether you're shooting on a handheld camera or capturing action-packed scenes, Premiere Pro's Warp Stabilizer will make your footage look smooth and professional. So, if you're ready to unlock Premiere Pro's hidden gem and elevate your video editing game, don't hesitate. Dive into the world of Color Match, Lumetri Color, Essential Sound, and Warp Stabilizer, and watch your videos come to life.